In this episode, we'll discuss various community aspects of both WordPress and ProcessWire. In WordPress, you can follow the development of the project using WordPress Track. You can see open tickets and relevant discussions. One thing to note is that WordPress is managed on the Subversion source control management system. WordPress has an official blog located here, and in this blog they discuss all the releases as well as other relevant news. WP Tavern is a site focused on all things WordPress, and it covers projects such as BuddyPress, BBPress, and other projects under the Automatic umbrella. This is a very popular news gathering website. Of course, WordPress has its own Twitter page, which you can see here. There are many in the WordPress community who are evangelists for the system. One such person is Chris Lima, and this is his personal homepage where he talks about many WordPress related topics. Another popular group is the Facebook page called Advanced WordPress, where many people join and provide questions and answers to complex problems. This group has close to 20,000 members at this time. There's also a weekly newsletter provided by wpmail.me, which will keep you up to date of all things WordPress via email. The popular web designer website known as Smashing Magazine has a dedicated WordPress section. They often write about topics related to WordPress and how to do advanced techniques within the system. For advanced WordPress web developers, there exists the Roots project, which has 3 sub-projects known as Trellis, Bedrock, and Sage, each of which is covered in other episodes in this series. They have an excellent podcast called Roots Radio, in which they talk about all the different Roots projects. It's an excellent podcast, whether or not you're a WordPress user or a ProcessWire user. They also have a very active forum, which contains many advanced WordPress users, and where they discuss all the different Roots projects and troubleshooting. Lastly, given the popularity of WordPress, there exists something called WordCamps, which are meetups in various cities throughout the world. These meetups are very popular and take place about once a year. In ProcessWire, you can follow the development of the project using GitHub. You can also see the current outstanding issues in the Issues section. ProcessWire has an official blog located at processwire.com/blog. It is updated every week with the latest updates to the CMS and general news. There is also a website called ProcessWire Weekly, which is a weekly source of ProcessWire news and updates. You can read it on the website or sign up to receive it via email. And this is a really excellent resource, which not only covers the updates that the system receives every week, but also dives into certain topics in the forum, as well as the site of the week. ProcessWire itself has an official forum where you can receive support and discuss all kinds of topics. It's a very active forum filled with knowledgeable people and one of the best resources you can use while learning ProcessWire. Definitely keep this as a handy bookmark. And as you might expect, ProcessWire also has an official Twitter page. Feel free to check it out and interact with the project.